What are Randy and Jingles doing?
Well, it looks like they had a little bit of a cookout. What is this? Crust grape? Crust grape. They gave
Did you see the cookout?
Jelly beans.
Look.
I want to see how these taste. I only need to have these once or twice a year.
All right, Grape Crush candy. Who wants one?
I want one.
Where's your hand?
Oh, I found tongs that we could use for the elk.
Try one.
Okay, I've got the tongs. Look what Jingles and Randy did today. Wait, does that say Peeps? Peeps, marshmallow trees. Three trees? That doesn't seem like a lot, but it's enough for me and Henry.
Well, at least there's nobody here to grab the elf and be naughty.
Well, I do see Henry Jackson that does weird guy.
Wait, what? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, rescue! Rescue Jingles!
To the rescue!
All right, is there anything to say this morning, guys? Weird guy. Oh, weird guy's rough this morning. Oh, this looks like it might wind up being a cliffhanger.
It sure will wind up being a cliffhanger.
Will Jingles survive? Will Randy live to bring snacks and treats for another day? We'll find out tomorrow on Randy and Jingles.